So Kurt, tell me a little bit about the advantage that Crash Course has over competitors.
Well, Sam, I'll tell you what. When I think that when a fire chief or a training bureau is looking at sending some of their personnel to a training class around the nation, I think that when they take a look at the advantages that Crash Course Village has, it's very, very simple to see. Number one, we've got 30 years of experience in putting this class together because we're taking the best instructors from around the entire United States and we're bringing them all to one place at one time. Fire service in the United States has really come to understand and realize that Crash Course Village in Fairborn, Ohio really is the premier training class in the entire United States. I'm actually really proud to say that this is 30 years of Crash Course. When we started this training class, we started at the Montgomery County Fairgrounds. We had 5 instructors, 15 cars, and about 20 students, and now we've grown it to almost 200 cars, 240 students, and 2 very long, intense, action-packed training days.